Hey everybody, how's it going? So I've been recording a lot of stuff at home, one little LED light, so I thought I might see what else I can get to improve things at home for myself. I got some stuff. I thought I'd do a little unboxing of it to see what we've got today, see what I'm going to use it for. So Amazon were nice to deliver something pretty quick. I've got some Air Plus store packs. Blah, hate that stuff. And I've also got another box here, which is from Neewer, I think it's called. I got an LED panel. Yes, it's apparently an upgraded 660 LED. What it's upgraded from or to, I don't know, but let's unbox it. Okay, nice little box. Not much to that. It says LED photography light on it. Yes, and that is an NL660s. So, these little things here. Okay, I got a little pocket knife out here. Yep, and we just carefully go through that one, and we put that away. Don't need that again, I'd say. Let's get this guy open. Let's see what we've got. We've got a case on the inside of it. And, well, there's a little bag. We've got a couple of zips here. And what have we got inside? Ooh, a little light. Oh, it's a lot smaller than I thought. It's quite tiny, actually. 660 LEDs in here, apparently. I've got some barn doors on them. Yeah. Bit of dirt on there. Okay, the barn doors are removable. Okay, let's tighten down that bracket for a sec. Stop that moving around. Because also in the box, I'm not going to throw that on the floor, we've got our power connectors. And, well, there's a little bag up top with nothing in it. Yeah, it's a alright case. It's got a bit of foam on the inside of it. I'll just throw those there. So it's got a bit of a basic bit of foam, bit of silica. So that's a pretty cheap case, but I guess for the price I paid for that light, I'm not going to complain. Okay. Let's go to, well, there's a nice yellow light there. 3200K, 5600, 3200, 5600, and that's the brightness up full. That's yellow and bright and a little less bright. So it's battery powered and that's adapter powered there. So that's it on its adapter on full power. And as you can see, that's it 3 foot away from my face. It's quite bright. Tell you what I'll do. I'm going to pop that up on the stand. Let's bring it in a bit to the shot. And we'll see how it looks from up here. Tilt it down a bit. So this is obviously quite close to me. And that's it on full power. That's about its lowest power there. So just a bit of kick of light, which you could have in the corner there. But yeah, hopefully that'll be all right. As I say, this was about £55 on Amazon. So pretty cheap. It takes 2 batteries. I don't have any MPF batteries because they're impossible to get here without paying an exorbitant price because no one wants to ship to Ireland. Well, that's 1% power to 5, 10, 11% power. And it's starting to get up there from about 20%. So I'm not sure there's a huge difference between 1%. Oh, well, a little bit, yeah. That's at 18%, so that's not too bad actually. Full power there. Fully yellow and fully blue. And it is quite a bit blue. That's got a bit of green in it there, so yeah. Yellow is pretty decent. It's a bit magenta. That's possibly a little too blue. Tapping into a bit of green and yellow in there, I think makes the color balance nice. And that's, yeah, 5100 on the spot. So that will be about right for the lights I have in here. So there we go. Little Neewer NL660. Going to put that to some good use today. I don't stare straight into it. Oh, blind. Oh, good. Oh.